Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a restore a custom Fila. This is my little cousin's shoe. He gave me these shoes. He was like, "Could you please paint my shoes for me? I really like your videos. I like the way you do your shoes. So I want a shoe so I can wear to school." So I was like, "You know what, little cuz? I got you." So what we're gonna do is a custom restore on his shoe. We're gonna use different types of paint. I have Angela's paint, I have Tula paint, and these are my types of paint that I use. And I also use the Leather Studio. So these are all paints that I use that are for shoes. And right now, what you're gonna see me do is take out the strings. I'm gonna wash up the shoe because they're a little bit dirty. You know, it's a white shoe. And right next to that, you see me right here. Boom! That's the finished shoe. I hope he likes it. Let's get into this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, because I upload videos weekly. Thank you once again. Let's get into the video. I'll come back at the end. Yo, peace. Let's do this. black. It's like a bluish purple color, and you just see me finishing up the shoe. I like the shoe. I think my little cousin will like the shoe. I think he'll be the freshest kid at school with these custom Filas on. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification to be notified when I upload videos every week. I want to thank you so much for just watching my channel, supporting my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let's have a conversation. All right, thank you. Peace. Have a wonderful day.